How to add Canva presentation to PowerPoint. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add your Canva presentation to PowerPoint. So let's get started. First of all, you can head over to Canva and open the specific presentation that you wish to add to PowerPoint. For example, this is the presentation that I wish to add and save as a PowerPoint presentation. So what you're going to do is simply open the Canva presentation, and then you have to click on this share over here at the top right. And once you do so, you'll be able to see various options such as download, present, public view link. Now you can either present directly from over here. If not, you can click on see all over here and you can simply type in PowerPoint. Now you wouldn't be able to see PowerPoint over here. You can simply search for it. If you're not able to find that, you can simply type in PowerPoint over here. And this is Microsoft PowerPoint. You can simply click on that and you need to select all of the pages if you wish to, download a complete presentation. And then you're going to click on download over here. And here you can see that it is downloading in PPTX format, and just wait for it to get downloaded. And once it's done, you'll be able to see that over here, and it says 2 seconds left. Okay, now let it finish installation. And once it's done, you can simply click on it, and now you can see it is Untitled Design. So once you click on that, you'll be able to see that the Canva presentation has been downloaded as a PowerPoint. So that was basically how you can convert your Canva presentation to PowerPoint presentation. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.